Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to dropship on eBay using CJ Dropshipping. As you know guys, CJ Dropshipping is one of the most popular websites in the world because it's better than AliExpress and Walmart. Then I will show you step by step how you can make money online with eBay with no risk and never eBay recognize that you are a dropshipper and never your account get banned. As you see guys, so let's get started. First guys, after you creating your account on CJ Dropshipping, just go and verify your account with your email address and phone number. Then I will show you step by step how to dropship any product on CJ Dropshipping to your eBay store. Then guys, for example, then I will select one of this random product, for example this one. Then guys, open the product. Then guys, if you want to sell this product on eBay, first you need to link the CJ Dropshipping account to your eBay account. Then guys, first open your eBay account, then open your account on eBay. Then you need to copy the username. Then guys, open your CJ Dropshipping, then go to the toolbar on the top, then click on authorization. Then guys, scroll to eBay section, then hit on eBay. Then guys, you need, because I have already linked my account, just to go for you on the first time, go on the search bar on the top, then paste your eBay username. Then guys, hit on search, then automatically you will see how to then automatically will appear to connect your eBay store to your CJ Dropshipping. Then after you connect the account, just go and open the product, for example this one. Then you need to scroll to list, then click on list. As you see guys, this is the product that you want to list it on your eBay store. Don't worry about this message because this product have too much variation. Then I have no limit on my account. It's a new account on eBay. Then guys, if you want to list this product, just go to modify some variation. If you like all this variation, just go and add the price that you want to sell it on eBay. Then if you don't like the variation, just go and click on other, then go to brand. You need to always select unbranded, because if you select brand product, it will take your account on eBay banned. Then guys, click on variation again, then you need to add the price. After adding the price, if you don't like this variation, go and edit before listing. Then click on edit before listing. It will take you to edit the product and editing the picture and description and the title. You can edit also description, and you can edit the image of your product. If you want to remove one of this, variation section, and also shipment. Then the product, if you like the product, then click on list now. Then automatically the product, it will list it on your eBay store without no effort and without no capital. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then you can easily make money online without no risk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.